Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to insert Shapes Google Docs on computer. So how to insert Shapes Google Docs on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Google Docs on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display of the Google Docs work page. Just point the cursor to the top of the screen. Here there are several menu options. Tap this Insert menu. Here there are several menu options. Tap the Drawing menu. A menu like this appears, tap icon plus. Now here it will appear like this. Tap this icon. And the option will appear down. Tap Shapes. Now here there are many choices of shapes that you can use. Choose one. Then point the cursor to where the shape is made and drag. Now here there is already a shape. You can add text to it. Tap Shapes and type the contents of the text. You can edit the text in it. Change the font type and font size as I did this. And can change the color of the shapes like this. And when finished, tap Save on the top right. Well, here is finished adding shapes to Google Docs. So that's it, tutorial how to insert Shapes Google Docs on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.